Hello guys, welcome back to LAN app. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to connect Sonos 5 to TV. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So if you're looking for a way to connect your Sonos 5 to your TV, well, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you could try doing here. So there are three ways that you could try doing. So first is through Google Chromecast. Now, if you have a Chromecast that you could use this to basically connect your two devices here. So first is you want to plug your Chromecast into your TV and open the Google Home app on your phone. Now add Sonos 5 as a speaker in the Google Home app and set Chromecast to use Sonos 5 as its audio output. Now, that's the first method. You also have a second method here. Now, the next method that you could try doing here is if you have an Apple TV. So usually speaking here, if you have an Apple TV, you could go to your TV settings and navigate to audio output and just select Apple TV as the audio source here. Now, in the Apple TV settings, just select Sonos 5 as the preferred speaker. Now, another way that you could connect your speaker here or your Sonos 5 is through the use of a 3.5mm to RCA cable in this case converter. So what you need to do is you want to get a 3.5 to RCA cable here, so it looks similar to this one. And what you need to do is you want to plug the 3.5 end into your TV, or in this case headphone or audio jack on your TV. Now you want to plug your RCA end, this one, into your Sonos 5 line in port. Now from then on, you want to go to your Sonos app, go to settings, then system, and line in, and set it as the audio source here. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LAN app. Thank you for watching.